Hello children, welcome back to English class. Children, today we are going to see a new topic, that is one or many nouns, or that is also called as numbers. It is also called as singular and plural nouns. Now what is one and many? We will see. Children, we have already studied what is noun. What is that? Yes, everything in the world has a name. So, noun is a name of any person, place, animal or thing. So, now we will see what is singular noun and what is plural noun. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular. So, children, when we are talking about one thing, one person, one animal, that is called as singular noun. Now, what is plural noun? A noun that names more than one person, animal, place and thing is called as plural noun. So, when we are talking about more than one person, animal, place and thing, that is called as plural noun. Now, children, see what is this? This is a flower. So, when there is one flower, we say flower. But if there are more than flowers, what we say? We say flowers. We add s to make it many, or you can say plural. What is this? House. If there is one house, we say house. But if there are more than one house, we say houses. So, how do we make many of it? We just add s to it to make plural or many of the noun. So, what is rule 1? So, if we have to make the plural, what we have to do? Add s to the noun to make their plural forms. Okay. So, see what is this? Cat. So, what we have, if we are talking about more than one cat, so what we will say? We will say cats. So, what is rule 1? We just add s to the noun to make it plural form. Okay, children. Now, this is rule 1. Now, we will see rule 2. Now, what is rule 2? If there is ch, o, s, x and z. So, if you find all these letters at the end of the noun, what you will do? You will add es to the noun to get their plural forms. Okay, we will repeat. If there is ch, o, s, x and z, we add es to make it plural form. So, see ostrich, what is there at the end? ch. So, if there is one ostrich, we say ostrich. If there are more, so we will add es to it to make it plural. Now, what is this? Dish. Yes, see again there is sh. So, you have to see the last letter of the noun to make its plural. So, dish. So, we will say, we add es and we say dishes. Okay. Now, fox, there is x. So, we will add es and it becomes foxes. Princess, see the last letters, that is double s. So, we just add es to it. We will write the whole spelling as it is, then we add es to it and it becomes princess. Mango, o is there at the end. So, we add es to it and it becomes mangoes. One bus, many buses, es to make its plural. Now, children, you must be knowing there are some naughty children in the class. Yes, so they don't follow rules. In the same way, there are some naughty nouns, they don't follow rules. So which rule they are not following? See, rule 2 says, if there is O, X, S, double S, CH and SH at the end of the noun, we add ES to it to make its plural. But what happened? Sometimes some words ending in O takes only S in its plural form. So, if we know if there is O at the end, we have to add ES. But see, piano, one piano, what is there at the end? O. So, according to the rule, we have to add ES, but the word piano is a naughty word, he is not following rules. So, to make plural of piano, we have to add only S. So, it becomes pianos. So, children, remember this word. Now, the word ox, we know that again X, if there is X at the end, what we have to do? We have to add ES to it, but that is not correct. Again, it is a naughty word. So, you will add only, you have to here add OXEN, oxen, to make its plural. Okay. So, you have to remember these two words. Now, we will see the rule 3. What is rule 3? The nouns that end in a consonant followed by Y change into plural form by changing the Y to I and then adding ES. We will see. If there is Y at the end of the word and before Y you find a consonant, before Y you find a consonant, so what is the rule? We will cut Y and instead of Y we will write IES to make its plural. Okay, let's see with an example. Now what is this? India is our country. Okay, so can you see there is Y at the end? So if you find Y at the end, stop and see. Before Y which letter is there? That is R, and R is a consonant. So if there is consonant before the letter Y, so what we have to do? We have to cut Y, and what we will add? We will add IES. So it country. So here can you see there are many countries. So what we will say? Countries. So to make plural of the word ending with Y and Y is followed by a consonant. So we will cut Y and add IES. See, we will see one more example. These are the city and these are many cities. So see Y, there is Y at the end and before Y there is T. T is a consonant. So we will follow the rule Y cut and then add IES. So it becomes cities. Okay. Now children, there is two rule for the noun ending with Y. What is that? For the first we have seen if the noun is followed, there is Y at the end and it is followed by a consonant. So what we will do? Y cut and IES. But if the noun that ending in a vowel followed by Y changes into plural form simply by adding of S. So here we will not cut Y and add IS, but it will take only S. Can you see here monkey? So what is there at the end of the word? Y, monkey, and before Y there is a vowel. So if there is a vowel before Y, so we will not cancel Y, we will just add S to make its plural. So it becomes one monkey, two monkeys. Okay. Now see, the next word is key. Y is there and before Y there is a vowel. E is a vowel. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So we will not cancel Y, we will just add S to make its plural. Okay. So one key, many keys. So children, I hope you have understood these three rules. Now we will see one exercise for that. What is that? Make plurals of the given words. Now here few words are given: book, pen, fan, bus, potato, lady and boy. Now to make its plural, we have to remember the rules and we have to see which rule is applicable to the noun. So can you see, you have to remember of two rules, that is rule 2, if you find O, X, S, double S, CH and SH, you have to add ES to make its plural. If there is Y at the end, you have to cancel the Y. Sorry, there are two rules for Y. If there is Y is follow, before Y there is a consonant. So what we will do? Cut I and then I add IES. If there is before Y there is vowel, we will not cancel Y, we will just add S to it. So first we will see the what is there at the end of the spelling or end of the noun. K is there, so it is, there is no letters of rule 2. So we will just add S to make its plural. One book, many books, add S. Now the next is pen. Again there are no 6 letters. Which are these 6 letters? O, X, S, double S, CH and SH. So you have to remember these 6 letters. If they are at the end of the noun, so you have to follow the rule 2. If there are no these letters, you have to follow the rule 1, that is just add S to make its plural. One pen, many pens. Fen, again no 6 letters, so we will follow the rule 1, that is S. Now the next word is bus. Yes, S is there. So we will follow the rule 2, that is we add ES and bus, one bus, many buses. Now the next word is potato. Yes, there is O at the end. So we follow the rule 2, we add ES. So we will write the spelling of potato as it is and then we add ES to it. Now there is lady. Next word is lady. Yes, it is, there is Y at the end. Yes, so what we will do? We will see the letter before Y, that is D. D is a, yes, consonant. So what we will do? We will cancel Y and add IES to it. Now we will see the next word, that is boy. Yes, again there is a Y. So we will see the letter before Y, that is O, and O is a vowel. So we will not cancel Y and we will just add S to make its plural. One boy, many boys. Now here again there are few example: glasses, piano, army, day, ox, box and watch. Now see the word glass. Yes, double S is there. So what we will follow the rule 2, that is we add ES, one glass, many glasses. Piano, I have told you to remember this word, this is a naughty word. So we will not follow rule 2 to add ES, but we will add only S to make its plural. One piano, many pianos. Army, yes, Y is there. So what we will do? See the previous word, that is M. M is a consonant, so we will follow the rule 3. So we will cut Y and add IES. Now day, Y is there and before Y there is A. So we will not follow the rule and before we will just add S to it to make its plural, days. Ox, again ox is a naughty word. So one ox, many oxen, we add EN and not ES. Box, yes, X is there. See, this is also X. At the end of word ox there is X, and at the end of the box there is X. But this is ox is a naughty word. So, we will see there we will add en to it, and box it is a, it follow the rules, and there is es at the end. So, one box, many boxes. Now, number 14, watch. Yes, ch is there at the end. So, we will follow the rule 2 and we add es to it, and it becomes one watch, many watches. So, children, I hope you have understood all these 3 rules. So, now what you have to do, now what is your homework? You have to repeat question 1 in your English copy number 1. There are some more rules of singular and plural that we will see in the next period. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.